Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Christian here once again at Buy Your Ride in Simi Valley. Today we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful 2017 black T1 TSI. Great Volkswagen SUV. Fits up to 5 super comfortably. 4-cylinder engine, so it's going to be really gas efficient. It's got a Bluetooth connectivity, touchscreen system, alloy wheels. Looks great. Very, very comfy vehicle. Backup camera, AC and heating. It's got your aux, SD card, Bluetooth, start and stop. She only has 39,000 miles in the dash. If you're looking for an inexpensive, very economic and great looking SUV, please give us a call here at Buy Your Ride, 805-507-2244. 805-507-2244. Thank you.